So in this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to move a wall that's out of plumb without tearing down the house. So this is what happens when crackheads build houses. So you see this is plumb right here, and then what they did was they took this line and they framed a square plumb stud to a out of plumb wall that's about 3.5 inches going out that way. So we're going to fix that. And so what we did was we took a Sawzall and we separated out this stud so that this is free. We put in a temporary support right here just for extra support for the second floor on the beam. This isn't going anywhere, so that'll be safe. And then we took a Sawzall and separated the entire base of the wall from the nails there. And if you come outside here, I'll show you what we did outside. That's going to make it so we can make this wall plumb. So what we did was we built a whole new foundation wall here, and we put in a new pony wall, and then on top of that pony wall we put a beam that's 3.5 inches out. And then what we're going to do now is we are going to bang this whole wall out. It is ready to be hit out, and since we've cut all of the screws and nails off the bottom, it should just go out. So we'll see. Maybe we'll be totally embarrassed during this video, but hopefully not. Okay, you ready? Jacob, let's do this. Let's hammer this thing over. See if it's going to work. I don't have my earmuffs, so. Okay. Oh, did it move? Yeah. Woo! Keep going. Yep. Oh my God, it's working. Okay, let's try this side over here.
So we're getting a little separation here.
Okay, let's try this side over here.
Yep.
And try to get as low as you can. So maybe even if you could swing it down so that it would land right in here, that would be good. This is kind of in your way. I see maybe the other end would be better, but give it a shot.
I like this. In here?
Did it move?
No.
Nah.
Like here.
All right. Well, maybe we're going to have to make a longer, we have to edit this video. Keep going. Okay, go on the other side now. This side over here.
Yep.
Let's get those pry bars in there a little more. Okay, try it again. Here, give me the other hammer. Give me the little sledge.
You want it?
Let's do it on 3. On 3, let's go together. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3.
Do it.
We're stuck on something.
This block got knocked loose. Maybe I just knock it out of the way.
Sure. Or don't worry about it. As long as it's not, let's just keep going.
Yeah, if I can knock it out of the way, then I can get a better swing.
Okay, but camera's rolling, man. We're almost there.
All right, good.
So you need just about a 3/4 of an inch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Other side. Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Hold on. We need just a little bit more. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 3. 3. 3. Okay, stop. We kind of got stuck on something. Here, take that.
Dude, that's fucking rad.
Here, look at here. Hold the camera. Take. We're filming, so here. Let me just do a final wrap.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. So you can see we just got like a tiny bit more to go. We got a 3/8 panel here, but we're almost 100% there. And you know, you just gotta, when you're doing this kind of stuff, you gotta do what works. Like for us, hammering it together and timing at the end, like, you know, we didn't plan that. That's just the way it works. So you can do it. Plumb your walls. Buy houses from crackheads. They're still worth fixing up. Hope that's helpful.